Creating a WhatsApp group is straightforward as a process that allows you to stay connected with multiple people at once. So to begin, open WhatsApp on your device and navigate to the Chats tab. Once there, look for the option to start a new chat, usually indicated by a chat bubble or a plus symbol. So from the list of options, select New Group. You're going to be prompted to add participants to the group. You can select contacts from your phone's contact list by tapping on their names. You can add as many contacts as you like. And once you've selected the members that you want, tap Next. Now, next, you're going to need to give your group a name. This name could be anything relevant to the purpose of the group, and it will appear at the top of the chat. So you have the option to set a group photo by tapping on the camera icon, allowing you to upload either an image from your gallery or to take a new photo. So once you've named your group and set the photo, create tap to finalize the group. Okay? Now your new WhatsApp group is now ready and you can begin chatting, sharing media, making calls with members that you added.